welcome back to the Vape House, and today we are unboxing and having a build on the AIM-9 Evo by ASVAPE. So let's just dive straight down to it. I'll see you down there. Hello and welcome down below, and here is the packaging for the AIM-9 Evo by ASVAPE. Got the nice gold logo on the front, the writing, nothing there. Scratch and check there. Some writing, tells you a bit about it. ASVAPE, and that's it. This box, I didn't know how to open it at first. I was there trying to pull it, drop it out and everything, but you simply just unfold it from there. Very nice touch. In the box you get a little sort of user manual there. You get a little box of goodies. You get your cotton, a nice little screwdriver there, some look like Clapton coils, some O-rings and some new screws. You do not get a squonk pin in there, which I'm a bit disappointed about, but there we go. And the RDA itself. So on the RDA itself you get that little ASVAPE there. A bit about it. It's 24mm by 30.3. It comes with this 10mm Ultim wide bore drip tip here. It's like a heat resistance Ultim tip. It doesn't come with a spare drip tip to put on there, but you can fit your 510 adapters in there if I've got one. Let me have a look. Boom, there we go. So that can fit in there like that if you so wish. You get 8 airflow hot slots, fully adjustable just by twisting the top there. It might be easy just getting it on mod. Twist to open it, twist to close it. Has a very unique design, this airflow. It's a cyclone effect, so the air comes in these top bits and out the bottom and sort of spins around in your in the deck area around your coils. Not a bad little feature. You got little locking points for when you put it on, it'll just lock into place. Nice finish to it, really nice finish to it. Here, the build deck itself, it's the standard 2-post design, gold plated build deck. You got a 6mm juice hole there, it's quite big. Some nice O-rings there. You got your 510 pin on the bottom. AIM-9 Evo by ASVAPE. So it looks quite nice. So we're going to put a build in this today. We'll turn that off for now. So we're going to be using these fuse Claptons here. So we'll use the little screwdriver it came with to open up these little holes. The flathead posts these are. Like a flathead, nice and open. Very big openings there, so you can fit your big builds in if you want. watch your eyes when you're snipping. When you snip those wires, be careful not to snip the other coils. So there we have the coils in. Honestly, I'm not a fan of these. I'm not a fan of these 2-post single terminal build decks. It just makes it a bit more tricky to get them in. Right, let's see how she's firing. At the minute we got it at 4.2 ohms, 0.42 ohms. They're glowing nicely there. Glowing nice and evenly there. So we'll wait for that to cool down. We are going to be using this Boss device cotton. Your simple little tabs. Easy peasy. So get your scissors. I like to just use half one for each. Work nicely. So we pop that through there. There we have her. So, what juice shall we use today? And the juice we're going to be using today is this candy juice, lemon flavour. So, comes in this fancy little bottle. I got this from my Ukvapekings mystery box. If you want to check them out, I'll put the link in below. Also got test fire, 0.43 ohms. Firing lovely there. So there we have it. Let's take her back up top and give her a vape, shall we? Welcome back up top, and so we are vaping on the ASVAPE AIM-9 Evo. I'm using it on my iJoy Genie. So we're running at 62.7 watts, 0.43 ohms. Let's have a two. Wow. Flavour off this thing is fucking amazing. Like I said, we're using this candy juice lemon, and it's fucking refreshing. Wow. Let's have another little drip on there. So that's it with the airfoil fully open. Let's have a listen. Even though it's got that cyclone effect, it's very smooth. Let's try it half. Let's Let's try it half open now. We'll crank it up a bit actually. We'll do 75 watts. Still smooth, and that flavour is just getting more intense. Wow. So my overall thoughts on this little RDA. Not a fan of the build deck. I'm not a fan of the 2-post build decks. I just find them fucking tricky to put all the fucking the coils in. Nice deep juice well. Another con note, it didn't come with a 510 squonk pin, which I'm disappointed about. I like my squonkers, and this, I reckon this would have been nice as a squonk mod, squonk RDA, sorry. The airflow design is quite nice. I like the silicone cyclone effect, and it like you glisten. Smooth, very very smooth. The flavour's great. Another con with the airflow, I'd like a bit of fucking something on the top just to help with adjusting the airflow. Not that I'm going to be adjusting it every fucking 2 minutes, but it just help. I have to get my t-shirt just to twist it round. It'd be nice to have a 810 adapter, 810 drip tip to put on there, but the 510, you could fit a 510 in there, so if you want to put your own ones in there, it's quite a nice touch. Other than that, nice little RDA to add to the collection. If you want to pick one of these up, I got mine from my Ukvapekings mystery box. Go check them out, I'll post the description below. Thanks for watching. From the Vape House.